Hello, this is Renee with 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 12. And today we're going to be talking about membership perks. Like I said in previous tip, a lot of people have a hard time figuring out, hey, what perks should I include? Perks is another way to say benefits as well with my membership that people are going to benefit from and that I know I want to and can create for them. So these are some ideas for you on ongoing perks, things you can give in an ongoing basis. And these are important because if you don't have ongoing perks, then they don't really have a reason to pay you maybe every month or every year for being part of the membership, right? So one of the things you could do is create live or recorded videos and say maybe perhaps I'm going to give them one a week or once a month or twice a month, committing to creating a new live or recorded video for them that may be teaching them something or helping them with something. It could be just general trainings on a topic that you're an expert in. It could be expert interviews. You could be bringing in another expert that you could interview, and perhaps they can get to know and learn from as well. It doesn't all have to be you. Perhaps Q&A sessions. Sometimes what people will do is allow the group to ask questions, and in the group throughout the month and maybe once a month, go through the most common questions that were asked for that month and just cover them and go there. Or allow people to just ask you questions live on a live video. Another one's discounts. Perhaps you have more advanced programs, and if they're members of your membership, they get a discount to your other programs, or they get discounts to other people that you're affiliated with. Perhaps there's another expert that you work with that complements what you do, that they want to give them a discount for their programs just for you referring them out to their programs. That may help. Or perhaps a few of you may actually have an e-commerce product that you're selling. Perhaps you can give them discounts to that product as well. Another thing is ebooks. You could create a new mini ebook every month. Another ones could be templates for whatever you're an expert in. It could be templates for graphics. It could be templates for ads. I mean, a number of different things. Does your expertise have a way to create templates that they can use that'll help them solve the problem or the challenges that they're having? Maybe notes for a public show that you only provide to members. Maybe notes and other resources for some show that you maybe you do live on your Facebook page. But if people want to get the extra notes or the extra resources for that show or that were discussed there, they have to be members. So that's one way to connect it to public and private. And some ideas, maybe if you're in nutrition or wellness, that's a misspelling there, but maybe you could give them a new recipe every month or sets of recipes, maybe a new workout, and think what else in my expertise could be equivalent to a new recipe or new workout with what I teach. I mean, if you teach woodworking, it could be a new design that you give them for a new project or a number of different things. So think, what's the equivalent for my expertise, like a new recipe or a new workout? Maybe in your real estate, there's some hot listing or some hot investments that you can give them. So these are just some ideas, and of course there's more that are pertaining to your specific expertise. But try to think, what are the equivalents for what I do? That, like I was saying earlier, like a recipe or a workout. What's my recipe that I can give away every month for my expertise? That's not necessarily food, but whatever I'm an expert in. So just some ideas for you on ongoing perks. We have more tips coming up with where we're going in detail into more of the perks or how you can provide those perks or benefits in a different creative way. So stick around for the next tip, and good luck.